Everyone, and welcome to Computer Science for Self-Taught. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and install a download manager for Linux operating system. So this software that I'm going to show you, it is free of charge and you don't have to pay anything and you don't need to activate it. So the first thing you need to do is open your Firefox or Chrome. So go to this website www.freedownloadmanager.org/download-fdm-4-linux.htm. So when you go to this site, sorry about this, just open when you go to this site, click on free download. Make sure that you choose your operating system. It is also for Windows, for Mac operating system, even Android and Linux. If you are a Windows user, just click on Windows. So in here, click just download. And if you are a Linux user, click on Linux. Download this download manager. So click on download, and if you have already downloaded, so I've already downloaded, I don't need to download it again. So when your download has finished, just open the download manager. So in here I have already downloaded the software. To install it on Linux, open your command prompt, type the command ls because it's going to list all of the files that you have in the download folder. Click enter. So you can see in here I have already downloaded as the name of free download manager.deb. So to install it in your PC, write command sudo g because it's going to extract it, space dash I, open the name of that file you want to install it. So in here the name of the file that I'm going to install is free download manager. Click tab. It's sorry about this, write free and click tab because it's going to automatically pick the name for the file you have already downloaded. So click enter, write your password and click enter. So it's going to take a while to install it. So it's installed successfully. So to make sure that you have installed it successfully, just go to the dashboard and in here write free. Okay, you can see it's installed successfully. In here, free download manager. Okay, it's installed successfully. So then if you want to download video from any channel, so for example, if I want to download a video from YouTube, just open the browser, click on YouTube. This is the video I want to download it. Right click on it, copy video URL, open your free download manager, click on this plus sign. It is automatically paste that in the URL file. Click OK, click download. So it's so easy. It's going to download the video for you. And if you want to add this plugin to the browser, for example, I don't need to come in here and paste the URL. So I want to download video automatically. This is, for example, imagine when I right click on it, in here you will see download free download manager. So it needs a plugin. You need to integrate it with your browser. To do that, open that free download manager, go to this option and preferences, go to browser integration. In here, whenever you have installed the browser, so it automatically brings in here. So I have already installed Mozilla Firefox. It's already detected. So when you click on it, it directs you to the plugin website, to the website of free download manager. And on here you can install free download manager. In here you need to click on this icon, add to Firefox. I've already added, so you can see the icon in here. I don't need to do that. If you don't have this icon in here, make sure that you click on plugin option. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon whenever I upload a new video so you can get the notification. And if you have any question or suggestion, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I will try to answer it as ASAP. So till next video,